So SMPTE2110 is an IP system that Blackmagic has adopted into our network services and our control systems for distributing SDI and video systems across network infrastructures. Okay, what we're effectively showing here is we're using some hyperdecs as sources that are then being taken into IP and converted from an SDI 4K signal into 2110. Where we're working at Ultra HD in 4K, we're using 12 gig SDI as the baseband, but we're using 10 gig Ethernet. So that means we have a little bit of compression that we need to apply. We're here using Blackmagic IP10, which is our own compression codec. It's very lightweight, it's very lossless, but it allows us to fit that 12G SDI into a 10 gig signal. That can then be packaged and dated inside the SMPTE2110 standard. And then across these tools, we're then managing it on a software layer, handling all the distribution, and we're using our own Blackmagic Ethernet switch, which is designed effectively as a 2110 router. So consider it in the same way that our video hub routers work in SDI, but using 2110. We're then in this very simple demo sending that back to a second rack here, which is the receiver side, where it's been decoded back into SDI and then shown with the minimal latency. To show that these two racks could effectively be apart and anywhere in the world, but we can manage the distribution between them, point to point, encoded with IP2110, with Blackmagic IP10 as the codec compression for 4K delivery, and we've got all the network management, the routing and distribution tools that we'd want.